Hey everyone, Carl Barnowski at Assurance Claims, and today we are visiting a home that has some mold. And when I walked in this house, yes, this guy did scare the whatever out of me. But anyway, so I'm going to give you a quick tour of this property and the work that needs to be done here. As you can see in this sunroom, this is in full mitigation already. We've got drywall that's been removed. We've got furring strips, insulation that's been removed. Containment cut this room in half basically. You can see the other side. And the interesting thing about this is that if you look at this threshold right here, this is where people try to get away with not providing continuous paint. And you can see there's no casing on this doorway, and this leads out into the kitchen. And many times insurance adjusters will come out and stop the paint right there. In reality, that paint is continuous through this big door opening out into the kitchen and then out into the living room, because you can see over here there's another doorway. So anyway, this is absolutely continuous paint and continuous flooring, although the flooring has been unaffected in this house. And if we go back this way to the bedroom, the carpet's been removed. Small bathroom here with the ceiling that's been removed, so insulation will have to be installed here, and drywall obviously, lights reinstalled, and then drywall. And then in the bedroom, you've got much of the same drywall that's been removed from the ceiling. You can see this door casing has been torn out, so that entire door casing will need to be fixed. You can also see the continuous border all the way around this room, and because that's been removed, this whole border will need to be redone. And you can see there's wallpaper here. So when you remove a wall like this, wallpaper obviously is continuous, so we're going to have to re-wallpaper the entire space. So anyway, a very small job, but you'd be amazed how quickly the items in here add up in order to restore this property to its original place. So anyway, thanks so much for taking a view, and if you have any questions, please hit me up and I'd be glad to help you. Thank you.